Hello guys, how you all doing? This is gonna be a fast Mandinka and Wolof lesson. Anyone that is interested in learning the language, or your children might be interested, or you might want your children to learn, or just want somebody else that might be interested in learning to know that I teach Wolof and Mandinka, which is the Gambia and Senegal languages. These two and just other part of Africa that speak Mandinka, but Wolof is mainly for Gambia and Senegal. Today, Wolof and Mandinka lesson is going to be about TikTok. TikTok is playing today. TikTok is not working perfectly for me today, especially with the live video. Because my other page that is Ami Job, that's where I speak English. I couldn't log in there today right now. I wanted to do live video there for 1 hour, teaching Wolof or Mandinka, or just to do this video there. But the TikTok there for some reason logged me out. Even though I have it on the app logged in, I just normally click on the one that I want to log in. I couldn't log in back again, I don't know why. But this particular one also, I came on here to do live and the live was not working. And I had to cut the live. Because when I'm on, nobody can see me. I cannot see like people are seeing me. I don't know, it's not showing me like people are seeing me. And I cut the live, I come back again. When I came back again, people were there, but I couldn't see them, like the numbers growing or people interacting properly, just playing, you know. So I end up ending the live. I might come back later on tonight or tomorrow after work, because tomorrow I'm going to work in the morning. But this is going to be a Wolof and Mandinka lesson that if you know someone that might be interested in learning the language or might want their children to learn, or just they might know somebody that want to learn the language, or yourself, you're welcome to share the video or message me here, or just email me my username here at gmail.com. That's amiwolof@gmail.com. AMIEOLOF@gmail.com. So let's jog on to the Wolof lesson now. And then here is going to be the Mandinka, and this one here is the Wolof. So tay is today. Tay. Just T-A-Y. Tay. Tay is today, or T-A-I. Tay. Tay. T-A-I. Or T-A-Y. People can still read it. Tay. Tay is today. Tay TikTok nanguwut. Nanguwut is Gambian Wolof. Tay TikTok nanguwul. Wul is Senegal Wolof. But still, the Senegal person will know what you're trying to say. Tay TikTok nanguwut. This means today TikTok is not agreeing, you know, it's not working properly. That means it's not agreeing. It's not, you know, it's plain. Tay TikTok nanguwut, dafa am problem. Tay TikTok nanguwut. Today TikTok is not working. It has some problem, you know. Tay TikTok nanguwut. Tay today. TikTok is just TikTok. Nanguwut. Tay TikTok nanguwut. Tay TikTok nanguwul. Senegal Wolof. Mandinka. B TikTok mansong. B is today. B. B is today. In Wolof, B is this one. This one is B. B bahna. This one is good. B rafet na. This one is beautiful. Or B nice na. This one is beautiful. This one means B in Wolof. B mean today in Mandinka. B TikTok mang song. Mang song. Song is agree. Just like the song, you know, the song that you like. You know? Like you have your favorite song, you know? Yes, song. B TikTok mang song. B TikTok mang song. B TikTok mang song. Mang. 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 B TikTok mang song. Tay TikTok nanguwut. Tay TikTok nanguwut. Wolof. Mandinka. B TikTok mang song. B TikTok mang song. If you're gonna be watching this video from YouTube, also don't forget to use to email me my username at gmail.com. My TikTok name is the Ami Wolof And my YouTube name is the Ami Job. And if you do amijob1980@gmail.com, I'll be able to answer you as well, you know, on the email. So mange attire, I am doing attire. This is called attire, and attire is green tea. And I'm using this one. It's different green tea, different brand. I'm using this one. It's called gunpowder. So it's called China green tea. I don't know if you can read that. It's here. Yeah. But we use it in Gambia, and yeah. It's very popular in Gambia and Senegal community to do green tea attire. I am sure other people in Sudan and other countries do it too. But also if you go to Guinea and you go to Mali and other countries, they do it too. Normally you're meant to have 2 cups or more, and you keep doing like this, and it's nice and bubbly. But my other cup is broken, and I normally buy these cups only from Gambia. If anyone knows where to get them in the UK, let me know. But I will get more of it when I'm getting other stuff, other Gambian stuff, because I sell Gambian stuff myself. So you can boil this with herbs that are healthy to help. Things like clove and ginger and other stuff. You can even boil it with this. This is called sep. You can take one or just cut it, or just take one string of it. Like they're like in different bits. You can take one of it, and you can just wash it and put it inside the attire and boil it with it. They things are very healthy, but I don't know how to call them in English. I know it's called sepo in my language. You're meant to wash them properly and soak them in the water and keep drinking them all day, or just a couple of times a day, especially on an empty stomach, like early morning and evening before bed. And then you shall be able to continue to refill the water. When it's about to finish, you add more water. It can last you up to 1 week, especially when it's in the fridge. And these things are extremely healthy, especially for a woman, and they smell amazing. A woman that is drinking this thing is gonna close her, you know. But it's not just for that. It does help with your health wise, and it does make you smell amazing a lot. Lot of people know this, and they even cook with it. People that know, you know, yeah. A lot of people from Sudan, Africa, and other Asian people know it. But I don't think the Western people know this thing, okay? I don't think so. A lot of people in the West don't know so many good stuff, and it's very sad. And people should learn about it. I also have moringa powder from Gambia, from my own moringa tree, my own compound. Nice and healthy moringa. If you are interested in that, also let me know. You can email me, and I shall get back, like I said, about the emailing. Or just message me if you don't get the email address, as I'm saying it in the video. It's just my username. If you're watching this from YouTube, my username 1980@gmail.com. And if you are watching this from TikTok, my username at gmail.com. That's amiolof@gmail.com. So the other stuff that you can put here is, you can put fresh nana. Nana is mint leaf. We call it nana. And don't forget, you can buy my shea butter homemade, this particular one, that have vitamin E and other good stuff, and organic coconut oil that is made by my own sister in Africa. This one also have my own neem leaf from Gambia and other good stuff, vitamin E and other stuff. But yeah, just want to say that if you want to learn the language, let me know. And today I'm doing attire, tey mange attire. Nka attire le